Aparna, and in today's science lesson we are going to learn about the different parts of a plant and their functions. Plants are living things and they have 5 main different parts which helps them to do different tasks. They are leaf, root, stem, fruit and flower. So what are the functions of these different parts? Let's start with the root. When we look at a plant, we don't normally see the root. This is because usually in plants, the roots are hidden under the ground. Not always, but usually plants' roots are hidden under the ground and it helps the plant to stay on the ground so that the plant doesn't move away. And another thing that the root does is very important, that it collects waters and nutrients from the ground. The root collects water and nutrients from the ground because the plant is also a living thing, so it needs the water and nutrients to survive. So what does the root help the plant to do? The root helps the plant to stay on the ground and it collects water and nutrients from the soil. Now let's learn about the stem. The stem helps the plant stand upright, stand straight so that the plant doesn't fall off. And you also see that the stem is connected with the root and to all the different parts of the plant. So the stem helps the plant stand upright. The stem also helps the plant to transport water and nutrients to all the different parts of the plant. After the water and nutrients are collected by the root, the stem then carries it to all the different parts of the plant. The stem helps the plant stand upright and it also helps the plant to carry water and nutrients to all the different parts of the plant. The third part we are going to learn about is the leaf. The leaf is called the kitchen of the plant. This is because the plant is a living thing and it needs food to survive. So the leaf helps the plant to make food. Sometimes we ask, why is the leaf green? This is because the leaf contains a green pigment called the chlorophyll. And the process of plants making food is called photosynthesis. The fourth part of the plant we are going to learn is the flower. The flower, personally, I think is the most beautiful part of the plant. The flower comes in various different colors and shapes, and its beauty comes with a reason. The flower helps to attract pollinators, and the flower also helps to make seeds which later makes more plants. The flower helps to attract pollinators and it also helps to make seeds which later makes more plants. It can attract the pollinator because of its vibrant colors. And the fifth and final part of the plant we are going to learn about is the fruit. Fruits are really tasty, right? But what does the fruit helps the plant to do? The fruit helps the plant to protect its seeds. So let's look at all the different parts of the plant again. We have the root, which helps the plant to collect waters and nutrients from the soil. We have the stem, which helps the plant to stand upright and it transports waters and nutrients to different parts of the plant. We have the leaf, which helps the plant to make food. We have the fruit, which helps the plant to protect its seeds. And lastly, we have the flower, which helps to attract pollinators and it makes more seed, which later makes more plants. Over here I have a real plant and I'm going to show you the different parts of this plant. Under the ground, under the soil, we have the plant's roots, And then we have the stem. As you can see, it has branches. It has different branches and it is connected to all the parts of the plant. We have the leaf, which is green because of the green pigment called chlorophyll. And then we have the fruit. We have the flowers. As you can see, they are colorful and they smell really nice. That's all for today. I hope you listened to me very carefully and now you know your plants really well.